Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm about to do a deep condition treatment on my hair, and we're just gonna kind of talk. We're gonna talk about my texturizer experience and if I would ever texturize my hair again. So as you guys know, I did just take my hair out of cornrows and I did wash it, so you will probably see a wash routine today, and then this video that I'm filming now will go up tomorrow. But I did wash my hair, and what I'm about to do now is just put a deep condition treatment in my hair before I braid it back up. So I've never tried this before, but we about to try it and see what happens. I have put egg in my hair before. Oh, I didn't gave it away. Dang, I was trying to make it a surprise, but I guess it's not about to be. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna do a egg and Shea Moisture deep treatment mask. Okay, so I have put egg in my hair before, but I put egg in my hair with what's it called? Mayonnaise. But honestly, this Shea Moisture deep treatment mask is honestly one of the best masks that I've used on my hair before, because it just really makes my hair feel extremely soft afterwards. If you guys saw my video that I'm posting today, which will be yesterday if you guys are watching this now, I did put this and some curl cream in my hair as kind of like a leave-in. Like, I'm really just trying to load my hair up with moisture, simply because when I texturized my hair, it really damaged my hair. I don't know where I went wrong, but at the same time I do know where I went wrong, and I went wrong, okay? It all went wrong. So where we're at now is I'm just trying to kind of replenish my hair, remoisturize. I'm trying to salvage whatever little hair that I have left. But yeah, so I'm doing the deep treatment mask with the Shea Moisture and an egg, and I'm going to do this, and I'm thinking about maybe adding in some essential oils, you know, just for the smell. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today. And let's see, I've really just been wearing my hair in a low ponytail for the past couple days, so this is really what it's been looking like. Well, it's been like this, but yeah, it's literally nothing extravagant. This is what it is. It's dry as a bone. Well, it's not dry, but it just looks stiff. Okay, it's just stiff. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and, I don't know, this doesn't smell the best, but it does its job. Okay, we're gonna add this into this container, and we're gonna mix it up. We're not gonna do too much, but this is gonna be like a light treatment, kind of. Oh, that's it. That's all I'm gonna use. Okay. Oh. Okay. So this is how much of this I'm using, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop the egg in there. We're gonna also add some. Oh, everything is taking over. We're gonna also add some essential oils, and this is the 1 milliliter dropper bottle that will come with your rice water kit when you do order it. So in this is eucalyptus oil, lemongrass oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil. I feel like it's something else. That might be it though. Yeah, that's it. So that's all that's in this dropper bottle. I'm just gonna add this into the mixture as well. My phone is gonna die. This is getting hectic really fast. Okay, so, because it was just on 40%, but okay. So we're gonna just go ahead and, crack this. Can y'all see? Y'all can see. We're gonna crack this in there, like so. And then we're gonna add the essential oils in here as well. Let me sit this down for a minute. Okay. Slippery. Okay, so we're just gonna add this in there too. I am gonna wet my hair with water, simply because I feel like that's just gonna help, you know. help it like spread easier. But this is what it's looking like. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna quickly spray my hair down real fast just to get it moist, and then we're gonna add our mask. Okay, I'm gonna grab a towel real fast just to wrap it around my shoulders so that it doesn't look too crazy or whatever. I don't know. I just don't want my shirt to get all messed up. So let me go ahead and grab a towel, and then we'll go ahead and start just applying this mask really fast. Okay, so I'm just gonna part my hair through the back first and then pin the rest up, or clip the rest up. And honestly, how I'm feeling right now with just like what my hair is going through, I can't even honestly say that I would texturize my hair again, because woo, the struggles that I'm experiencing right now, it's like, is it worth it? Because honestly y'all, my hair did get very damaged while I was, or just texturizing my hair overall. So my hair did get pretty damaged from texturizing it. So I'm just kind of like, I don't know if I would do that again. Like at first I was like thinking about doing it again, because I was thinking like maybe if I'm more careful. But honestly, if I lose all of my hair just trying to texturize it, it's really not worth it. But honestly, the plus sides to texturizing my hair is that it is way easier for me to kind of manage my hair and just to kind of comb through it and all that stuff. So those are definitely like the plus sides to it. But man, if all my hair is gonna fall out, would it really even matter if it's easier to comb if there's no hair left to begin with? So that's kind of where I'm at now. Man, my hair. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now, honestly. But to anybody that has texturized their hair or is thinking about texturizing their hair, let me know, like, I don't really need, I kind of need the towel, but not really. Let me know, like, if you've texturized it, what you do to keep it moisturized and what you do to just keep it maintained, because that's honestly the area that I'm struggling in. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, that's where I'm at. But at this point that I'm at, I probably won't texturize it again. Just unless I figure out how to better maintain my hair, I probably won't texturize it again. I can already tell that I do have a lot of new growth, so it is a challenge already to get to my roots. You probably can't see it, but I can feel it. Like just trying to comb through my hair, I could already feel it. It's a bit of a challenge, but I guess I just gotta figure out what my hair needs and wants, cause I ain't trying to be bald headed for a looser curl pattern, you know. But yeah, I'm probably gonna leave this mask in my hair for probably about an hour or a few hours, and then I'll rinse it out. And then from there, I'm gonna be braiding my hair back up. But I did want to just put some type of mask or treatment in my hair, just to give it a little bit more moisture, because it has been struggling in that department ever since I did texturize it. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. But I did do a length check in my last video, so with this video we are going to be, well, not this video, with the next video that I do when I'm taking my braids out, we are going to be able to compare exactly how much my hair grew, because for some reason I didn't do a length check before I put the braids in my hair. I don't really know what I was thinking, honestly. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I didn't do a length check, but now we'll at least be able to compare it or get an exact estimate of what's going on with my hair as far as the length. And yeah, that's good at least. This feels like it's gonna be extremely moisturizing to my hair because it's really thick. And me personally, I like thicker deep conditioners as opposed to like the thinner ones. I just really like thick deep conditioners because I feel like they're putting more in my hair. And I just remembered that I'm doing this with my ring on, so it's about to be all dirty. Dang. And it's too late to take it off because I got literally 2 sections left, so I'm not. This honestly feels great on my hair. It feels like it's about to really moisturize my hair, because this mask, the Shea Moisture mask, is already really thick, and I really love masks that are thick. So, and I have a lot left, so I'm gonna go back into a few sections and just really do a little bit more of an in-depth application, just to make sure that it is all the way through my hair. So let's do this. Let's get the ends a little better too, because since I texturize my hair, I feel like my ends more than anything are struggling. So let's first do the edges, then let's do the ends. So we're gonna let this sit for probably a few hours, and then when I rinse it out, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So we got the edges pretty good. Now let's get the ends. Oh no. Get these ends good, and then the center. I'm using every drop of this, like I'm not wasting any of it. Okay. All right, let's get the back too. This little back piece or back part. Let's get that. All right, and let's scrape this clean, because I'm telling you, I'm using all of this. This looks like cake batter, but it definitely doesn't. It's definitely not cake batter. So let's go ahead and get the rest of this. Alright, so this is the mask in my hair. I'm about to let this sit and rinse all this off my hands and just let it sit for a few hours. Let it get all nice and hot and juicy and steamy in my hair. And then once I rinse this out, I am braiding my hair back up because we're trying to get the most growth as possible. So I am definitely going to be braiding my hair back up once I do rinse this out. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit, and then I will come back to you guys once I am finished letting this sit and once I do rinse it out. And that will definitely pretty much wrap up this video. This was just showing me trying this deep conditioner, so we'll see what my hair looks like at the end of this process. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I will check back in with you guys once I do rinse this out. Okay, so I left this in my hair for a long time, so my hair is definitely deep conditioned. So let's go ahead and just take this off. I really hope that this egg didn't start cooking in my hair, because this has been in my hair all day, literally all day. But you know, I kind of got just sucked into like editing and uploading and all that type of stuff, so I was really trying to let it sit, but I also was doing other stuff too. But this is what it looks like. We're definitely about to just rinse this out. I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, I know I got my camera and all that. Why is it so blurry? I feel like I need to clean my lens, but it's looking really blurry. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I'm about to go ahead and rinse this out really quickly. I'm really surprised. Oh wait, did the egg start cooking in my hair? Is that what that is? I really hope that's not what happened. It is what happened. Oh man. All right, so I'm gonna go rinse this out with cold water, because whatever is going on, I don't want it cooking any more than it already has. But honestly, my hair feels really soft, so that's a plus. But we're about to just rinse this out real quick, and I'm gonna come back and then wrap this video up. All right, so I just went ahead and rinsed out the mask out of my hair. Let's go ahead and see if I have any type of definition going on. Let's see. All right, so this is what my hair looks like. First of all, I thought I rinsed it out good enough, but I got a few pieces floating around. But, oh, like that right there. That's the only thing I don't like about doing like egg masks and stuff. But listen, whatever's in my hair, it's not gonna get rinsed out till tomorrow. It is like 10:30. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna probably put my hair in a ponytail, put some more put some moisturizer on my hair, put it in a ponytail, and then put my scarf on, and I'm going to sleep. Y'all, I'm tired, okay? Don't ask why I'm tired. I'm just tired. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. The only thing I don't like about the egg masks is when you leave it in too long, you literally have pieces of egg in your hair. That is so unfortunate. But yeah, we're gonna have to tackle that tomorrow. But that is pretty much it for this video. My hair does definitely feel softer. It feels moisturized, so at least I know it worked. It definitely feels moisturized. Doesn't feel dry at all. Has movement to it, and it doesn't look like super stiff. Sometimes when I wash my hair or deep condition it, once I rinse it out, my hair looks extremely stiff and just dry, but it feels moisturized, so that's a plus. Yeah, that is definitely it for this video for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. Again, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.